Right shoes. So I actually had send one back. So in this early look, I am going to have to show you guys just one right shoe. Okay, and then when I get the other pair in, I'll do a more in-depth review of this, the other shoe. So let's go outside, take these Zen Master 4s out and take a look. All right, so look at these bad boys. They are all canvas material right there. They got this crazy tie-dye look to them. I do not know why everyone has hated on these things so bad. They have gotten hated on left and right. From what I'm hearing, they are going to be a very limited release. I don't think it's going to be a lot of them. As always, they will probably have many delays. You can see they got the red down in there, the Air Jordan on the back there, the black Air Jordan. But like I said, this is an all canvas material. That's what the bottom looks like. These bad boys are fire. Let me give you some better shots of them. All right, so the Zen Masters, they're supposed to drop sometime in April, March. As you know, everything gets delayed at this point. Price will be around $200 to $210. I think resale, they're gonna be around like $300 to $350, somewhere around there. But if they are limited, hard to get, come with some kind of crazy box, they're probably gonna go for a lot more. So when I get the left shoe, I'll do some on feet look, do some hardcore indoor, outdoor pictures like we always do. Usually I would do more outdoor pictures on my Instagram at Chris Colgan, but right now I'm freezing my ass off, as you can tell. There's snow out here. Let me show you some other stuff I've gotten in here lately. Dropping this year as well, in the next month or two, the Racer Blue 5s. These are hard. I got an early box pair. I'm sure there's already people on YouTube that have these. My dog is running around like a madman right there. Hutchins. Look at that. You gotta keep him away from the shoes or else I'll eat him. Got the Racer Blue 5s. Again, another hard pair. These are sick right here. I like them. They're pretty much the Raging Bulls, to be honest, with just a different color set. You know, resale on these, I don't think it's gonna go crazy. $225, if that, you know, somewhere around there. So we'll do a more in-depth review of those. Coming over here, I keep everything in my house, like just scattered, because I live by myself. You know, what can you do? Got my girl some early Jordans, and then a pair that have also been out. I got her the Chanel, what is Chanel? I don't even know. Sorry, I suck at this. Jordan 1, Chanel-y, the material on these. A lot of people have hated on these. I like this colorway as well. She's in love with them. Let me show you these. You can tell the swoosh has the crazy material on there. I love the colorway. It's kind of like a college gym shorts or high school gym shorts or something like that. These are a fire colorway to me, in my opinion. And then also I got her a pair of these Wild Thing 4s. Man, if they had made these in general sizes, I think girls would have went more insane over these. They definitely have a girls, kids material, but her having small feet, she can wear these. So just wanted to show you guys that as well. So now the main event, the Air Jordan 1 Georgetown dropping in April, got pushed back again. 1985s. You gotta see these bad boys. Let's take a look. So these 85s, they're gonna be a lot more expensive. They're gonna be around $200 to $210, I believe. You can see, like, obviously the R and the D, or the D and the A, don't touch because of the 85s before everybody starts calling me out. I got these early from my boy Leak Sneaks on Instagram, who often hooks me up. You can see the college navy with the gray. Just Georgetown colorway is just phenomenal, man. This is probably one of my favorite looks, one of the 85 Nike Air symbol. These right here are hard. I honestly think resale on these are going to be around $400 to $425. These are going to be one of the hottest shoes of the year, because we've already seen there's hardly been anything that's actually dropped this year with all the delays and stuff, and I think it's just going to get worse and worse, because I saw the other day there was like billions of goods stuck at a port in China because of COVID, and they're expecting Nike and Adidas to get hit hard with delays because of that. So I'm gonna do a more in-depth review. Obviously I do these quick vlogs all the time, so let me know what you guys think if you would cop both of these pairs. As always, comment below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Back to work here, back to the real estate grind. See you at the top or from the top. Peace.